Hi guys, welcome to Chao. Today we are going to make something very beautiful. We're going to make a red velvet milk tea. And two different ways we're going to make iced and we're going to make a red velvet frappuccino. So what we need are, definitely we need the red velvet flavor. And this one is not a creamer, it's a frappe base which we will use for our frappuccino. Of course, we also need our base tea. This one I made yesterday and I put it in the refrigerator so you can still use what you have made the day before. Then I have the milk syrup, which is very important because we don't use sugar in our drinks. Let's get started. What we need is a measuring cup and a measuring spoon. So first, uunahin natin ang pagtunaw ng red velvet powder. So, karamihan sa inyo gumagamit ng mainit na tsa, pero sa ngayon, kasi malamig na yung tsa ko, kailangan ko munang gumamit ng hot water para tunawin yung ating red velvets. We are going to make a 22-ounce cup. So the formula that we use is 2 tablespoons red velvet, 1, 2, and then I will put a little bit of hot water para lang matunaw yung ating powder. Yan, konti lang. Base tea. So make it up to about 6 ounces. Yep. Then, tunawin ulit. Our milk syrup, which should be about 1.5 ounce. Then, you can put this in a shaker, tapos i-shake nyo siya. Kung mas comfortable kayo na mag-shake. But this one is good enough. So that's our red velvet drink. Kunin ko na yung aking milk in a jug, and this time I will use a milk frother, electric milk frother. Let's make a foam. Yep, like that. Good. Let's put it on top of our drink. 5 ounces. So exactly the same formula. We will put 5 ounces. I will just use the same measuring cup that we used earlier. So this time I need 5 ounces of my base tea. Same, I'll put it in the blender. So 5 ounces. And the same thing, we also put 2 tablespoons of our red velvet powder. 2 tablespoons. This time the difference is you want to add this. This is called a frappe base. When you use a frappe base, your smoothie or your frappuccino will become smoother, it smells better, and it's blended properly. You can use just half a tablespoon or 1 tablespoon with your frappe drink. So let's put that 1 tablespoon. And then, what else do we need? Yes, we need our milk syrup. So in the iced drink for 22 ounce, I just used 2 ounces of milk syrup. This time, we're going to make 2.5. So just to make it a bit sweeter because it has more ice. So that's it, an additional 0.5 ounce. Let's put the ice. When you use the blender, as much as possible, try and use smaller pieces of ice. Otherwise, your blender will have to work harder. Madali siyang masira. So anyway, I have here slightly more than my 22-ounce cup kasi hindi naman siya talagang contiguous, hindi siya dikit-dikit. So let's try putting this 1 whole cup of 22 ounces ice, and then we start blending. So when you blend, you always have to start with pulse. So you have to blend it at least 45 seconds so that it will become smoother. Huwag naman may buo-buo pang yelo pag binuhos nyo sa inyong baso. So this time, tapos na yung ating blended drink. You have two types of drinks here using two different formulas. Very, very slight difference lang sa formula nila. One is a red velvet milk tea frappuccino and the other is the red velvet iced milk tea. Tikman natin kung alin ang masarap. Anyway, it should be both good. I'll try this one. Wow, it's so good. I can really taste the tea and the red velvet. It's like having a red velvet cake in a milk tea. So yummy. You must try. Really good. Let's try our beautiful red velvet milk tea frappuccino. It's just the right sweetness, so smooth, so creamy. This is red velvet frappuccino and iced red velvet milk tea. There you have it, two different types. And now you got the formula. You can start making this in your own milk tea or coffee shop. So, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more of these videos. Ciao for now.